Welcome to Project Beam Math Project Development Session 8. For the next few weeks, you'll be creating a presentation to showcase your project. Last week, you evaluated the proposed solutions and selected the best one. This week, you will reflect upon your learning and consider the potential usefulness of the solution. First, let's reflect upon your learning. What did you learn from this activity? What did you learn from your peers and group discussions? Then, think about the potential usefulness of the solution. What part or parts of the solution can be used to solve similar problems? How can others use the solution in the future? Write down your thoughts in the self-assessment section of the Wizard Project Maker. This week and next week, you'll develop a presentation material. This week, you'll explore different presentation options and select one based on your preferred expression style. Then, decide on the content to include in your presentation. Next week, you'll continue to develop a presentation material and will also learn about citing references and resources. After preparing the presentation materials, in the last week, you'll learn some useful presentation tips, have some time to practice, and then deliver the presentation at the project showcase. In this session, you'll learn about the presentation requirements, how to choose a presentation format, possible presentation formats to choose from, how your projects and presentations will be evaluated, and selecting content to include in your presentation. First, let's talk about the requirements of your presentation. You and your fellow Project Beam peers have been working hard on collecting information for your own projects. Now it's time to showcase what you have learned. Each presentation will be 3 minutes long. You can decide how you want to present your project. Your audience could include your Project Beam mentor, other project staff, teachers, and staff at your school, your parents, as well as other family members. We'll showcase your projects in the next few weeks. Before you begin creating a presentation, let's think about how to select a presentation format that's best for you. You have all this exciting information to share, so how will you present the information that you collected? Let's think about your expression style. First, log into Renzulli Learning System. After you log in, you should be taken directly to your home page. Click on My Profile that's highlighted in the red rectangle with a yellow arrow pointing to it. This box shows your interests, learning style, and preferred expression styles based on the profile you created at the beginning of the project. An expression style inventory was developed to gather information on the types of products that students prefer to create. Let's say for this student, her preferred expression styles are service, commercial, and hands-on. The student also has a preferred product style. That is, she has certain kinds of products that she likes to complete. For example, her first product choice is service, as she likes to provide assistance to individuals or groups in her community. She may also want to lead a group of students to do something that provides help to other people in need. In terms of expression style, she enjoys planning, organizing, or assisting in projects or programs that help other people or make this world a better place. Based on your preferred product styles, what are the possible ways to present your project? Take a look at the product choice chart handout for a list of suggestions based on your preferred style. Then think about the pros and cons for each of your presentation idea. If you'd like some suggestions for possible presentation formats, take a look at the next section of slides. In case you need some ideas for presentations, let's check out 2 examples for technology and audiovisual display styles. For Amelia, her preferred expression style is technological because she really enjoys creating something using her laptop. Creating a website could be one possible presentation format that Amelia could choose. Websites might also be good for the written and audiovisual display expression styles. To build a website for your independent math project, we recommend using Weebly.com. Weebly is an easy-to-use online website builder. You select from many different themes and then add text, photos, videos, search boxes, and a lot more just by dragging and dropping these elements into your web page. Check out the video below to learn more about what you can do on Weebly. As an example, we created an independent math project using Weebly, which is an open source on the internet. In the top screenshot, there is a home page for this math project where I use the available tools and features on the left-hand side of the navigation bar to customize the website. In the top banner, there are 3 pages: Home, Project Site, and Useful Resources that are created. The screenshot at the bottom shows what the project site looks like. Then, you can click on Next that links to the next page. If you use the mouse to hover over Project Site in the top banner, a drop-down menu will appear with the 8 steps. You can click on any one of them or follow the sequence to see how each step is applied in this example. Specifically for Step 1, I identified an issue at the macro level that I'm interested in. That is how hurricanes or tropical storms are formed, the damage they can cause, as well as possible solutions to prevent or mitigate the damage caused by them. As you can see, I included both text and an YouTube video. This example was created to help you understand how to apply these 8 steps to solving a real-world problem of your interest. To learn more about the project website that I created using Weebly, click on the link below. Marie really enjoys giving speeches, so her preferred expression style is oral. In school, she also enjoys making PowerPoint presentations to accompany her speeches. Creating a special kind of PowerPoint presentation called PPT could be one possible presentation format that Marie could choose. PPT presentations might also be good for the artistic and audio-visual display expression styles. PPT is a simple PowerPoint presentation consisting of only images. You'll only have 20 seconds to talk about each image before it automatically advances to the next one. To learn more about PPT, watch the video using the first link, or you can read more about it using the second link. For Project Beam, your PPT presentation will be 3 minutes long. Therefore, your presentation will have approximately 9 slides, and you will talk about each slide for 20 seconds each. You can create your presentation using either PowerPoint or Google Slides. After brainstorming and exploring some presentation options, which format do you think would be best for you? Write down your decision in the intended product section of the Wizard Project Maker. Now that you decided on the presentation format, let's think about the content of your presentation or what information you should include in your presentation. Before we decide on what to include in your presentation, let's recall how projects and presentations will be evaluated. First, did you come up with a clear research question? Is your topic clear and specific? Are you able to present your ideas clearly so they can be easily understood? Did you use a variety of resource materials? Did you come up with an original product rather than copying something that already exists? Have you chosen an appropriate audience to present your project to? And have you created a high-quality product? Now that you decided on the presentation format, let's think about the content of your presentation or what information you should include in your presentation. Your presentation should follow the 8 problem-solving steps. Step 1. Select an issue at the macro level. Step 2. Study the issue to identify some problems that impact you and your community at the micro level. Step 3. Select and present a problem using mathematical procedures and thinking. Step 4. Investigate the problem, develop a data or information collection and an analytic plan. Step 5. Collect, analyze data or information, and find solutions by applying mathematical procedures and thinking. Step 6. Evaluate the solutions. Step 7. Reflect upon your own learning. And Step 8. Consider the potential usefulness of the solution. Once you have brainstormed the ideas for a presentation, Let's go through this checklist to make sure your presentation meets the following criteria. Is my presentation 3 minutes long? Does my presentation convey the main idea of my project logically? Does my presentation focus on a specific problem and solution? Does my presentation use diverse sources of information? Did I cite all my sources of information? Do I present the information in a clear and logical order? Would my audience understand the main idea of my project? If you have any questions or need any help, please discuss it with your Beam mentor or staff, or let us know by clicking on the email address on this page. We'll be more than happy to help you.